Hi, good day. In today's reviews, there's a new cloud. It's called WebinarFlow. It's going to be launched tomorrow, 11 a.m. EXT by one of the top internet marketer in Jeju. So in this product itself, right, you're able to have all-in-one live automated webinar meeting, online classes, right, platform to convert lead into paying customer, right. So this is launch is tomorrow, right? 11 EXE on JVJU, right? Is a team we know is people successor. Is a internet marketer from Netherlands, right? He has created this cloud app, right? So this is a one-time cost where the platform you don't have to pay the current fee like some of the other tools outside there, right? So you can. It's a beautifully designed, super modern webinar platform, right? Really using very user friendly, very smooth, very easy to use, right? It's perfect for any online business, right? So the benefit why you should buy this webinar flow is because you can broadcast any pre-recorded video as live webinar on auto mode, right? Okay, you don't have to conduct a live one. You can actually use a pre-recorded video, right, as your live webinar on auto mode. You can conduct smooth webinar at external media, smooth screen sharing, remind the attendee there's a reminder built-in inside. Join in browser feature, right? You can just click one click, you can join the webinar via the browser, right? Record and play, track and export through HD with quality, no delay, and this is proven to convert landing pages, right? The built-in landing page builder to help you to create your own opt-in page, right? Registration page, things like that, right? Ability to integrate with any other system, and you can collect payment like to PayPal. The payment integrated, right? Let's say you want people to join online class, they can actually pay via the PayPal. Okay, now the cloud customer support, right? Okay, so here is a demo video I have put inside here, right? So how much does this webinar flow cost, right? Personal is 37 one time, and you can have a commercial one time 57, and OTO one is a plus one time 67 and 97 one time. OTO webinar flow unlimited 197 webinar flow agency pro OnlineWealth Academy, right? So how does this webinar flow work? So they just need three simple steps, right? Step one is to write your webinar script, and then got it with presentation using the webinar flow, and make change in your presentation or tweak them accordingly. A high converting webinar is ready to fetch your traffic, lead, and conversion unlike before, right? So I'm giving five-star rating for these tools, right? So this highly recommended. You can this is a tool use the very useful tool every business, whether it's online business or any of the peoples out there, even the normal people or even the professional, they can use a tool to conduct a lot of live meetings, right, classes, right, especially during this pandemic season, right. This is even the more critical, more useful tools, right. Every humans or any other business owner out there, they should have this tool, right? Okay, so today you purchase webinar from where the link inside my review page. I'm going to give you my three special bonus here, right? So if you purchase the front end and any of the OTO here, you're going to get my three special bonuses, my three product, right? DIY money, this 50,000 subscriber, and also you have this on product IMPR, where we can actually access 6,000 PLR ebook. Yeah, a video for this sale, and this is my data for online where this is sex make money online training portal. So you purchase the front end, any OTO upgrade, you're going to have the two special bonus, right? So if you just to purchase the front end with the personal license and commercial license, right, then you are actually going to entitle to get a lot of other high value bonus. The first is webinar authority. So this is a step-by-step guide how to prepare, present, host, and execute a successful webinar. Right? So if you are new to conduct webinar, then this is a guide you should be learning, and you will learn every step you need to do to conduct a successful webinar session. Right? So you can take advantage of the power of the webinar to connect, engage, and sell your product, right? And again, so I have three other product that agency Turnkey business kit, right? You can how to become a web design agency, video agency Turnkey business kit, and also the SEO agency Turnkey business kit, right? All these two are the eCom store builder and module store builder, and WooCommerce eStore builder also. Social media whether content builder for WordPress, right? You can locate content into the wireless charge of break. This is an automated plugin, right, for WordPress, right? Social automate, this is a help to boost your view and traffic for all the video you capture with the help of the custody by reaching a target audience, right? And VidBuilder, this is a WordPress page builder plugin to create a video sales page, right? And this is the biggest ever selling funnel that has made over 250K, right? So this is how you funnel the profit, right? And again, this is a Video Hub. This is a video subscription membership platform. You can own your video subscription platform and charge your customer monthly for providing them a collection of the video training and any other niche, right? So YouTube view videos to WordPress post plugin allow user to import YouTube video to WordPress in the easiest possible way. Create extractor, right? You can extract your client, right, from the Google Map using the current API, and you can also quantify it. You are actually going to lead generation automatic go upgrade, 5,000 loyalty fee, stock image, and 3,000 email motivation code for your social posting content. And this is my exclusive 4,000 has the stock image, and the others diamond giveaway. Audio wizards coming the seller line is 5 extra conversion tool is a website hacks. You can research how to double or triple your sale from your website. This YouTube hack 2021, and how to 50 times the profit with a 50 feature traffic source. The email search, the email SaaS app. This is traffic cloud app. Feed traffic from 3 top social media platform. Clone plugin, right? And this is a clone plugin to drive feed targeted Instagram traffic. And these are 3 of the best affiliate software you can sell and keep 100% of profit for engage, SEO tool, YouTube channel SEO, and this is how to make money on the without you selling anything. And high ticket system, how to video training, how to sell high ticket product and make how huge affiliate commission. Here is another 10 bonuses here with the white label. You can actually white label, you can use it to white label your own brand and sell this product as your own brand. Also giveaway, 100 giveaway to build. This is an exclusive bonus bundle cost of the 80 top product from the famous marketer journal. I'm so Brandon over 100 HQ high quality software plugin template, right? And this is a vendor special bonus pack also. So altogether, there's 6,000 plus of item bonuses you can actually take advantage if you purchase WebinarFlow via the link inside my review page here, right? Again, all the bonuses here you can download for the JVJ, right? Okay. So for the detail on the bonus or the huge bundle here, this is again 100 giveaway. You can build a list. You can click inside here to preview what's inside this 200 bonus bundle, right? Okay, so that's a little bit about the bonuses. So jump on it. You're going to get all my bonus bundle. You purchase the WebinarFlow, right? So have a look into this tool itself. This is when you log in, this is a dashboard. You're going to see WebinarFlow, right? So you can my event, the calling, right? So to start, we just need to create the event, right? So you can choose the event tab, webinar, pre-recorded webinar, meeting, and also live class also. Let's say you choose a webinar, the option, just give a title, right? Okay, let's just say online webinar, okay. Then for example, this is a time zone, right? So select the date, let's say it's a Friday, so for example, this is AM, okay. It's going to start this, just create here, create, and you can start creating your event webinar, right? You can start from here. You can fill up your event detail, description page setting, description page text, email. I can integrate your autoresponder, registration, and everything can be done easily, right? Okay, so this is how it works. And so after you create your webinar, you can just click the join, right? Okay, autoresponder. You can also connect to the autoresponder, select the list, the email also, right? You can write your own email, right? And yeah, there's an email template also. You can auto send the email before go live as a reminder, invitation email, right? Okay, so all this it can be easily email templates all provided to you, right? Okay, to connect with you and your potential customer who's going to join your live session, right? Okay, so that's pretty much about webinar flow, right? Okay, and there's a lot of setting here, like calling, right? You can have a look where you have the calling here, app integration. SMTP is for you to set the email, right? The autoresponder, right? Okay, because this you can set your auto SMTP host, everything, right? Okay, so you can again to enable to turn on your autoresponder inside the webinar flow, right? Support, right? Everything, my event, right? So pretty much this is what about when this some of the event existing event, right? You can just click inside and have a view. You can elect, you can join on the event also, right? As you want, right? Okay, you can join now, and all is all web based, right? So you don't have to install anything here, right? Okay, so very simple, very user friendly tool, right? Webinar Flow, right? If you want to know more the detail, the more step by step how these tools work. There is a demo video that exactly they will tell you very detail about every step you can follow to create your own events, how to make it live, how to get people to register, join your event, things like that, how to connect with people with autoresponder email, and everything it can show inside the demo video inside my review page, right? Okay, so that's it, and jump on it right now. This is uh, 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 I have bundled together a lot of high value bonus here, and I'm sure this bonus is going to help you in many ways to take your online business to the next level. That a lot of quality app I put together my own quality product, right? And okay, right. So that's it, and so click the link below this video. It comes to the review page. Inside the review page, you just need to click any of this yellow button. It bring you to the sales page of the webinar flow, and you can purchase there and get all my bonuses here, right? Thank you and have a nice day.